Hey friends, if you encounter attempted execute of no execute memory 0x000000FC stop error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to update drivers. So go to the same page. This time select advanced options, optional updates and install all optional updates. The next solution is to run a malware scan. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab and then click on Scan Options and then Full Scan and then Scan Now. And after that you can run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Search for Windows Memory Diagnostic and open it. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. And lastly, you can perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.